Today we have a video from Body Cam Stories, and the title of the video is "I'm a Doctor, Entitled Woman Goes Psycho After High-Speed Chase."
Keys, deputies received multiple 911 calls regarding a drunken driver that led them on a high-speed chase. Look what happened to her.
They always try to escape in the SUVs, like that's really gonna do something. Slow ass SUVs, man. Oh nah, she driving crazy. What?
Put your hands on the wheel. Do it now. Put your hands on the wheel. Do it now. River, open the door. I got her hands. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out right now. You good? Yeah, I'm good. Good job. Who let in spikes? I didn't hit the spikes. Yeah. He was gonna hit me. I ran away. Close on team 1 detained. Traffic stop right now.
Good job, boys. Way to work together.
Right there. Hey.
I was on the phone at 9.
Sit! Sit in the car! Get in the goddamn car. What is your name? What is your name? Are you hurt? We'll talk later.
You guys all right?
Yeah, that was just a little fast. We're
I've
good.
been following her since Kojo. She swerved around me into oncoming traffic, almost with 3 people head on. She hit another car behind me. I don't know where that car went.
She hit a car?
She hit another car in front of me. She got out in the middle of the road.
Oh, she's just a train wreck. She's just a train wreck, man. This is, yeah. You definitely going to jail, boy. Might go for a little while, too.
Road twice. She stopped. She got out in the middle of the road and tried to open the driver's side of somebody else's vehicle, and that person got scared and took off.
That was
back around the entrance of Big Pine.
Okay, that's fine.
And I've been following her since. I got her license plate. I gave it to dispatch, but
Can I get you to put what you just told me on a written statement?
that's fine.
Perfect.
Whatever you need, bro.
That'll help me. Do you see a drink? There's like spilt liquid everywhere, but do you see a can or a cup?
Negative.
You're
Careful,
garbage, and I wanna pay for it because
I'd like to put your seatbelt on, okay? Can you lean back against the car?
Fake.
Okay. Can you look that way? I'm gonna put your
You're
seatbelt on.
so fake and look like
Ma'am,
I got people on the mountain, and you wanna pay for it. The piece of garbage, Benny. I hope that you don't have like kids.
Okay. Do you have anything on? Anything in your pockets? No?
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Garbage.
Okay. The camera's on inside the
I
car,
hope
okay?
you're dead.
Okay.
Get.
Sounds like a foreigner to me.
Good talk.
yeah.
Thank you.
I got on the phone with 911. I gave them their license plate, and she got out, stumbling and started, like, obviously on narcotics or something, or on alcohol. I don't know what she's got going on, but...
Do you speak English?
No. Yeah, you want me to speak to you English?
I do want you to speak to me in English.
Baby, you want me like fuck my head?
Are you okay?
No,
What happened?
my feet is melt.
Your what?
Shut up, please. You want me? How much you want?
Where are you trying?
I'm like Aventura. How much you want?
What do you mean?
How much you want?
For what?
Do you leave me
To leave you?
and my brothers?
I don't know what you're trying to ask me.
How much
Trying
you
to
want?
bribe
How
me.
much for what?
How much you want?
How much for what? What do you
Fact, you fucked off,
for me to fuck off? Is that what
baby.
you're asking?
Baby,
I'm trying to understand what you want.
baby, how much you want?
Are you trying to offer me money so that I let you go?
No,
Is that what you're saying?
no,
What do you
I
want?
just want to have fun on the beach. And like to me, you and me, like to.
Oh, she's trying to get cracked. Oh my God. She's trying to get. We finally are getting somewhere. He says, are you trying to bribe me? Pretty much, are you trying to bribe me? Are you asking me for money to leave you alone? Whatever the case may be, right? To get you out of the situation. And she says, no. I want to have fun. You, me. Oh my God. How much you want? Like, oh man. Oh man. This is wild, boy. It sounds like to me, she is selling services. That's what it sounds like to me. She got arrested and now she's ready to get cracked. Oh man, to get out the situation. Oh no.
Are you trying to offer me money so that I let you go?
No,
Is that what you're saying?
no,
What do you
I
want?
just want to have fun on the beach. And like to me, you and me, like to just have some chill here on the fucking beach.
Okay.
They doing anything to get out of trouble, boy.
I will die for la lava bottom.
I don't know what you want.
Lava bottom. Your family is like piece of shit. Lava bottom. Tú ya, tú chupa la pinga. Tú eres un policía con la boca rota.
Stop kicking the dog hard.
So puta, so putica, so puta. Tiene la boca rota. Tiene la boca rota, so puta. Boca rota, so prostituta. Prostitution, motherfucker, prostitution police.
Listen, you know I don't watch these videos ahead of time, man. But I had, based off the title, I had a title in mind. And it was something along the lines of, because this title is entitled Woman Goes Psycho After High Speed Chase. So I had something in mind like entitled Woman Goes Nuts After Police Chase or something like that. But I'm using cracked in this title now. You already know. So when you see the title, just know. You know what is going on. You know where it came to mind that this is insane. This is insane. She takes the cops on a high-speed chase. This is why if you see any other body cams using cracked or back blown out, any of those type of, they got it from me, man. Heavyweight, any of that, they got it from me. They got it from me. She's ready to bust it, bruh. Or lady, whoever's watching this. She's ready to bust it to get out of this situation. And that she realized that the cop was not falling for it. He said, oh no, I'm not risking my job. Some cops, they'll risk their job. You know what I'm saying? They'll turn the body cam off. We just heard about a couple months back. Officer got locked up because he pulled the lady over, turned the body cam off, and got busy with her. You know what I'm saying? So there are officers that'll risk their job, but not this guy. This is a stand-up officer right here. He said, you're not getting me with them devilish activities, okay? And now, because she couldn't get her way, now she decides to go nuts, man. Insane.
Putica con el culito roto. Ay, so putica. Tú eres una putica, mija.
Oh, this is quite the position you ended up in. Swing your legs out. We're leaving the car now.
No puedo.
Yep, come on. Let's go. It's time for us to go upstairs.
No puedo.
I don't care. It's time for you to go upstairs. Yep. Come on. Scoot this way. You can look at me all you want. Let me get your things. Siete ahí, por favor. Listen, do you have anything in your mouth?
Check.
Open your mouth, please. Lift your tongue. Thank you. Will you do some exercises with me, like following my finger and walking on the line?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay, perfect. Would you please stand up?
Sure. But you can take this out from me?
As long as you stay
Can I
calm.
get a lawyer?
Not right
Can I get a
now.
lawyer?
You will.
I have a lawyer.
Good. I will
Can
take.
I
listen, miss,
call my own lawyer?
Not right now. You will later, though. Yes.
No, can I not? I don't want to do anything about my lawyer.
Will you not
I
do
have a
field?
lawyer.
Okay. Right now is your opportunity to do field sobriety exercises. Will you do field sobriety exercises with me? Yes or no?
With my lawyer.
Okay. So that's a no.
Yeah, with my lawyer.
Okay. Go ahead and sit back down, please.
My lawyer.
Go ahead and sit back down, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
People from your country study medicine. You're a police. I'm a medicine doctor. I'm a medicine doctor, radiologist doctor.
Sit back down.
5 years doctor.
Sit back down. Sit in the chair.
Look, I want you guys have this piece of shit as a piece of shit doctor. My broken bones for 2 hours. You a citizen paying my taxes. Why you give me 2 hours with my broken bones? Piece of shit. Why?
Hey.
Why you give me 2 hours?
No more yelling.
In your car, police. You know what? I want to live in the
can you-
Bahamian and the Caribbean.
Okay.
I'm paying
Go there.
taxes to you. I want to talk to your Antron.
Sit down, Miss Rodriguez.
Rodriguez,
Is that your name?
you got me there?
Is that your name? Is this your driver's license?
Oh, you got it.
Oh.
You see? You taking a while. Yeah.
Yeah.
American paying taxes. You're a citizen paying taxes.
You see the nurse
I
saying you're not
get
bleeding.
hurt. Some
You're
people
walking
from
around.
my daddy's school.
I don't know.
This guy is so hurt. Oh, he got my social. He got my everything. Kill them.
Oh.
Kill them. The same way they are treating us. But this guy right here, he don't know shit. If you know how to ask this guy something, kill him. Kill him.
So listen, you're going to be arrested for the
I
following
don't have
things.
to talk to you.
You don't have to.
You wanna talk
You don't
to
even
my
have to
lawyer?
listen to me. It's okay. You're being arrested for fleeing and eluding, which is a sit. Sit back down. Sit.
Camera?
Yes, camera is on. Don't worry.
Please.
Sit.
I love that.
The suspect was charged with driving under the influence, fleeing and eluding police, and reckless driving. For more videos like this, subscribe.
Boy, I gotta come up with a title for this one. This is gonna be one of them hitters, boy. I got a funny feeling about this. This is gonna be one of them ones. This gonna be, oh man, I hope this is one of them ones, man. It gotta be one of them ones. Latina wants cop's baby or something. It gotta be something. Latina wants to get cracked by cops. Something's gonna go crazy. I'm off this, man. This is gonna go crazy though. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.